Hi everyone, so here we are at the end and I'm wrapping it up here with a look at how to pull it all together. So we have these adorable boots. I mean, seriously, like everything in miniature is just so cute to me. It's so fun to pull these things together and have a finished product that I'm really pleased with, and I hope that you are super pleased with how yours have turned out too. So now we get to style it up. So whether we're looking at pulling an outfit together or putting it in some sort of packaging to have the doll carry it or receive it as a gift, we will talk about some of those things as we work through this next video. All right, let's jump on in and get started. So let's take a look at just general styling, how to wear these boots, what type of outfit will you pick when you want to put it all together. So here we have our winter sports jacket and the outfit that we had in that class, and you can see that we did that with the springtime fun jacket, and we have the snowveralls from Crafty Little Turkey. It's super cute, came together really well. But then now we've got the adorable Dorel boots made out of coordinating fabric. It matches perfectly and it looks great. So the only drawback to this type of outfit combination is that when the doll's dressed, the pants or the legs of these snowveralls are going to need to go over the boot, so it will cover the part of the boot that really is the best looking, but it's okay for what it is. It all still coordinates really well and looks great when it's all put together. A different option, if you wanted the boots to show when the doll was dressed, is to just simply do a t-shirt and leggings. The leggings then still match, it all coordinates, and when it's dressed on the doll, they'll tuck right into the boots. And one tip we have for leggings and skinny jeans is to use a rubber band around the ankle, and that holds the pants down when you're slipping those boots on. And with this sporty look, some fun accessories to include could be some of these little treats from the Mini Brands toys. We've got little snacks to keep them going all day long. We've got animal crackers, some Blue Diamond almonds, candy bars, maybe some bubble yum, a little bit of candy, Mike and Ike's, they're my favorite. Oh, and some tea to stay warm. Lots of different treats that come in those toys, so those are great. And as you can see, the scale works nicely with the size of the doll. And these are a fun little accessory to go along with this outfit. Another easy styling tip is to take your adorable boots and pair them with a pair of tights. So we have these tights made from a sock. If you look really closely, you can see the top of the sock becomes the top of the tights and the waistband. It's perfect. They're very stretchy. And to create that actual pair of tights, you simply turn the sock inside out and you sew across the bottom, up the middle, pivot, and go down, and then across the bottom, back stitching down at the toes, cut right into that space in between your two stitching lines, turn that sock right side out, and you have adorable tights. It's super fast, it's super easy to do, and there's so many cute socks. If you look for something that has a small pattern, it can be thick like this, like winter woolly tights, or it can be thin like this if you use something more like a dress sock. So these are sparkly, they become sparkly tights made from a pair of women's dress socks. Very easy to do. So to complete that look, we just slip those on, tuck them right into the boots, and then you can pair that with a mini skirt or any type of cute little skirt to go right over the top, and finish that off with a cute turtleneck, t-shirt, sweatshirt, jacket, anything to really pull it all together. And a fun way to finish off this look, because she might be out shopping or just having a fun day with her friends, is a cute little cup of coffee. So we've gotten these little ornaments. You've seen me share these quite a bit. This is from Starbucks. It's porcelain, but it is a decent size. It's a little bit big, but it does work. I've also found these little ones, which are actually just little chapsticks. And it can also be a tiny little cup of coffee for the doll. So those are a great little thing to include if you're pulling it all together as a gift. The boots also work really well done with skinny jeans, and these skinny jeans are made out of that fabric we have in the stretch twill collection. So this looks like denim, it's very soft, but it's very lightweight, comes in a couple colors, and looks like colored jeans. It's a good alternative to denim for the scale of the doll. And again, it works great with these boots. You can see it tucks right in pretty smoothly. All right, now that we've seen some styling looks, let's talk about packaging them for the doll scale. So if the doll were to receive a gift, or if the doll were to carry around them in a package. So unfortunately, our little tiny gift bag that's in the Tiny Gifts class that prints out with a few Christmas prints or holiday prints, or the Pixie Fair bag, is a little bit too small to get the full boot inside of. It works great for shoes like Jane's or plain Jane's or something like that, but it's a little bit too small for this. So I'm just going to show you a couple of other things that I've come across over the years that work really well. You can see we have a couple different small gift bags here. So these two on the side I have gotten from somebody that I've purchased off Etsy, so I'll have those links available to you. There's a lot of different variety that this person sells, and they're a little bit larger, but they still work for the scale of the doll. So in a bag like this, we can just push the shoes down inside and then fit the other pair right on top. It's a pretty good fit. The handles still come out, and you can have that with a rubber band attached to the doll. She can carry that pretty easily, so that can be packaged that way. And that works similarly with this other cute little Cocoa bag. There's a lot, like I said, a lot of variety on that site. They come together in a set. They look like designer shopping bags. Now this one I got a while back as something that holds a gift card. So just keep your eye out, especially this time of year. As you're at different stores, there's lots of little things because of ornaments and gift cards and little packaging and stuff like that. So this one works great. This bag is a little bit bigger, and these boots just go right in. But again, it's not too big. It's large in scale, but it's not too big for the doll. So that also works great. And the last item I'm going to show you is the box that came when I purchased these little ornaments. And it's actually the perfect size. It's a very nice hard box, and it's the perfect size to slip these in right next to each other. Slip the lid on, and you have a very cute little gift here. And we can just cover that logo if we want to with a cute little holiday bow, large or small, and it's the perfect little gift for the doll at the doll scale. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is so cute. This is an actual Coach bag. I'm not sure, because the logo is embossed in the black, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it says Coach. We have Coach on these little tags. So this is a key fob. It has a metal hook, so a person would just hang this on their purse. It's like a cute little accessory. So once I figure out how to get this metal part off, it's honestly a perfect backpack, the perfect size, and it's pretty big, so it will work perfectly to put these boots inside of and carry around. So she can carry that on her back, have her snow boots inside, and it's a great accessory. So I picked this up from the Coach outlet website, actually. It was on clearance, and I just keep my eye out for stuff like that. I find purses frequently. The backpack was something that I don't see that often, but they did have quite a few. So again, just keep your eye out for things like this. It's so cute. It's real leather. Everything works. It's got little pockets and zippers. It's a great accessory, and I'm sure would delight somebody as a gift or just for your own collection as part of the outfit that you've created. So that's it. We've wrapped up this class with a look at some fun accessories to really personalize your adorable new Dorel boots. I hope you've enjoyed the class, and you just really feel inspired and motivated and confident that you can create some cute boots like this and find the perfect accessories to go along with it.